Oh, now when they insult me because of Winifred, my people, more na come watch this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Winifred. This video today na about Winifred, my people. So I see say I do video say Winifred not gree forgive Osagie, and they see so many insults for comment. Many people just they insult themselves. They insult themselves for comment section. It can shocktalize me. Why the insult now? Una think say now let Osagie na they talk. Winifred too they use indirect they talk. If una not know, yeah, if they use indirect they talk well. Why the thing really touched me be say, you call yourself a Christian. Although, maybe I might be wrong for some place when I talk, say, you don't want to forgive Osagie, it's just the treat am bad. The guy don't try, make you forgive him. When I not see follow them there, stand I not see know what Winifred they do. All of them just they look that a fine face, they look say because they're not Christian, because they're not Christian now, and now let Osagie go, they do am bad. No. More not reason like that. Winifred too go still get your fault for the marriage. I don't say no perfect person for this life. You understand? You with the right comment they insult. You they perfect. You they perfect. Okay, Osagie say people they saying too proud. And I make you write that right up. Come and say people they talk saying too proud, they too proud. But he don't try his best for this marriage. He don't try. Make him beg. He say la. Winifred no want again. They're not the first person Osagie, my brother. They're not the first person. If you say look, say the thing not still you work out, may you rest. You don't try. You don't try your best, my brother. You can't kill yourself. What thing I mean be say, when I talk, say people will be Christian, they not the one forgive. Yeah. I don't see many. Before I did talk, you know, say I don't see. I don't see the one with Christians. They'll call themselves Christian. They know the hey. Even though that they follow you, my friend, they can never forgive you. They can never forgive you. Now it make me talk say people wait if not be a Christian now, as the Osagie better for forgive. People when they call themselves Christian, it is hard for them to forgive. It is hard way. When I understand, when they insult me, they insult like say they give una contract for the insult. One of they insult on herself, not be me on the insult. Now video now do. So now what the way the thing they pay me, the way the Osagie get talk. But when I don't read the write up, when I don't read down, when I say the way it really the right to ram. So I just see fit for ram. You understand? I just see fit for ram. So that's thing make me still do the video, you know. So my people, instead of you to insult, you just correct me for this. Say, Lady J, not be so. You know, you make me see reasons. Not because you just carry the insult. You just get one where you swear for yourself. What did I do you now, madam? If you know me before, where you go insult me like that? No, there is a marriage where they perfect. Now married woman I be, You understand? We still they get our own differences, but we still they set one. You understand? What I may be say, you when they preach forgiveness, you they preach forgiveness, but you don't feel forgive. You don't feel forgive. What the Osagie can't do you like? What it really do you? You not great talk, but you use indirect the talk. But the way they look the old teacher, she don't move on because the way she they waka these days, you know, say she the way she don't get boyfriend. You understand? So make them Osagie, just move on, my brother. Move on with your life. God will bring the always the better pass Winifred give you. And so me I say I will hear me na me backbone. If it still be so that not made to be together. Because how many years when I take married, no it picking even come out for inside safe. So if it still be so that not still made together. So just pretend say you know if I even know her, Osagie. I don't say they painful. But not because of that one, another woman wey you wan carry again now. You can't reason wetin your ex fit do you can't treat that one bad o. Not do am on Osagie o, because that the next thing wey una go dey do now be say the one wey una wan come follow now come be the payback. No, it's not done that way. Not good at all. So anyone wey be say you follow now, carry am with the same hand wey you take carry the other one. Not go do say because say you first show Winifred love well. You wan come go carry now. You can't go carry the one wey be say you got the treat bad. No, my brother, not do that kind of thing. No, not do one. Ya we beg ya boy nedo. Not do one. You go dey bad well. If you do that kind of thing, you understand? You go dey bad well. Because the next way you go dey think now be say I not go ever carry any woman like egg again. No, not do one. And when they Winifred the same thing with you. Not look the experience wetin you see for the Osagie hand. You come because of that one. The man wey you want follow now. You know God dey show and love. Not one o. Because now there many of us for the get am wrong. Now there we for the get am wrong. Where you understand? Say you can't go the reason wetin fair pass. You go to the treat the new one. The new one now maybe good well. You can't go use your maltreatness now because you do am bad. You can't go because of that one and go lose your woman. It's not good. It's not good. Even now at all. So my people, na so I talk and reach. I beg one not to insult me for comment to because I not do anything bad to you. I do topic. I just go there begin the insult. What I do now when I would insult me like that now. Before you even type the insult, you know the reason now. You know the reason I insult Winifred. I only talk say she dey wicked. Like why you don't want to forgive the Osagie? Come tell us what he really do you. And we still learn from there. Tell us. Yeah, because this you're keeping quiet, using direct to talk, it doesn't really make sense. Just come and tell us, say, see what you do, where you say you're not going to forgive, and then we will say reason with you. And not me say you be this, nobody know. People will see they follow you. You get organic fans already. You understand? So my people, that's why I talk the matter rich today. Thank you, my darling people. I'm gonna help me share the video. And always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Thank you, and always subscribe. That red button where they there, maybe they subscribe. At least now see time until they bring news, come they give one, so you understand. So my darling people, take care everybody. Bye.